What?
That's fine.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, so I thought I'd just make a really quick video to kind of show you how I set up. As you can see, this is pretty much my apartment living room, and I record right over here, right behind me. And usually when people come over, they're like, oh, on your videos I thought your bookshelf was a lot bigger. It's still kind of big, but not as big as people usually think. But so yeah, so here's how I set up. Okay, so I'm all set up. Here is my little setup, and let me come show you what everything does. So first and foremost, I have the camera, of course. This is a Sony A7S. I just got it not too long ago. Then over here, I have lights. As you can see, this one is the newer. It's the, which one? The newer NL600. 600 bulbs in it. And then here I have the Rode mic. This mic I actually just got, so I just started shooting on it the last like 2 videos or so. And this one is really good. It had really good ratings and stuff on it, so I got it. And then I have another light here, of course. And right here, as you can see, if you can see, let's see, I have my iPad. And this isn't like people think I use a teleprompter, but it's not. It's not a teleprompter. It's actually just a remote. So I can hit record here, and now I can see what I look like too. And I actually been happy because the whole time I've been recording, I never knew that I could even do this. And then I found it on YouTube, and so I set it up. So now I can use my iPad for like just kind of like a mirror, so I can see what I'm doing. And then on here, I'll usually, let me see. So usually I'll have like some notes for some kind of script or something like that I follow. So I don't use a teleprompter, like I said. So what I'll do is I'll write down like just kind of like the ideas I want to hit, and I'll just write those down on a list, and then I'll just kind of go through those points is how I do. So that's it. That's pretty much my little setup, and hope you guys enjoyed.